Today I will show you how to install or operation this machine. This machine is ZY-PD08 automatic two-station 3D baking or molding machine. The machine is 308 volt. Power is 16.5 kilowatt. Now we go to link the power. You can see here is power. I have 3 fire, 1 nature line, and 1 current PE. Just one by one connector. After finish, we need link the pressure, the air pressure from your factory. In where? In here. You can see this one is the air pressure, and this one is switch. Move left, it's closed. Move right, it's open. We can try. Turn on. After finish, come back to the machine, and we down. You can find the black tank, the box, to put the water inside to cooling the machine. Have 3 pumps, 1, 2, 3. These 2 white pumps is for the oven, station A or station B. And this one is for the molding cooling, the pressure. So you just see, you can find the cable and check this one. Install in the pump and find here is the power line. Power line is, you can see we have 3 switch. One is for the pressure cooling pump. This one is for the A station. This one is for the B station. So this one you need to find the cable to link the pressure cooling pump, and this one is A. A is left. You can check here. This is the A, and find the A connector and find the power to the A, and the same B. And put water inside, the full water, no more water. Put inside. Okay, this is for the cooling. Now we can see here the operation. This is the shortcut, many shortcut for the molding machine, and for the oven, same oven, 2 stations. And here the temperature, up temperature, low temperature, low temperature. Up temperature, it's for oven. The same temperature for up, but you can set a different temperature for the down. In oven we have 2 stations. So now we need power switch open, and cooling, light, and this one is oven water pump. This one is for the molding machine cooling pump, the pressure. All open, we can check the pump here, but manually to check. When you push, the water will be come down, going up. If something wrong when you push this, here have a water going up, you need to change the power line, change the direction. Okay. Now we open the temperature. The upper temperature is the same. Low temperature. These 3 temperature for oven. You can see A station, B station. And this temperature is for can go here for this. This for the heating pressure. And you can see here is for cooling pressure. Okay, we push enter and change English. Now you can see here it's countdown page. We go to the oven page, oven parameters. You can see A heating time, A cooling time, A2. The mean is the same station. We have two time setting saved to the shortcut. When you push one, it's working for the time. When you push two, it's working for the 2. So you can set different time. For example, you have a different mode, so you can set different time. We can test. For example, I set 10 seconds and cooling time. Okay, no worry. This one don't need change. This time is mode. All time is for the push out the mode. Otherwise, cooling time. The mode in the oven, but the water will be faster going up. The button open time is when you push the shortcut, the door will be open. How many seconds close? And this one is same. After the mode put hot, how many seconds to close? So this one you don't need change. You only need setting the heating time or cooling time. The same here. A, this way, B. So we can test. For example, I push A1. Open, and you can put the mode. After 10 seconds, close. Here, close the door. And after 10 seconds, the motor will be pushed out. Open the door, push out, and count down. Here cooling 50 seconds. This is now oven finish. We go to the motor process. The molding, the stain. You can see number 1, number 2, number 3. The main is you can do 3 different modes at the same time to work. If you want big, medium, small, have 3 modes, you can set 3 different time. The same. Here, heating time, how many time, and cooling time, how many time. And this one is push up. This one you don't need change. It's for this, how many time up and push. So you just change the heat pressure and cooling pressure. 12 and cooling 12. Just to show you how to set it and to test. Okay. Now we can see the mode. Remote is a little bit special. We need to put the mode to this station, and we can push the molding clothing machine. I push up and push inside. The pressure, the hot pressure. After 12 seconds, push to the right. Now cooling. Same. 12 seconds. After push here to take out the mold. The old machine don't have this process. After finish, push out. Now you can easily to take out the mold and take out the product. The same have 3 times, and this one you don't need to change this. You only need to change the hot and cooling time. The temperature for a double mold temperature is 180. If for the oven to baking like this temperature. This one is a molding machine, this temperature, 3D. Main page, for example, if sometime you don't need this one work to take out the mold, like sample mold or any small mold, you can mold open, push and off. Now after here, do not automatically to take out the mold, just put out. And for example, 2 molds or 3 molds, you need to put some oil to here. Because if long time don't use, maybe machine cannot working very well. You need to put a little bit oil here and here, and also here. The cooler. Okay, this is the machine operation.